What's going on, guys? Mike can be seen here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today I'm going to be doing a new unboxing of a wallet that was sent to me by the good folks over at Lost Dutchman Leather. I've worked with them in the past. They sent over one of their Franklin wallets. This is actually a most recent pickup for me. This is the Huckleberry, a brand new wallet, which I personally love. I've had this for a little over 2 weeks, and look at the patina on this thing already. I really like how this looks over time. I have it with a quick access on the back, and then on the front here, I have it customized with Mikey on there. And as always, they have this signature flap right here where you can actually insert that thing into there. So you're able to host some cards and you can host books. So this right here is the tall version. In the tall version, I have this daily workout book because your boy's been working out. That right there is made by All American Maker. I am an affiliate for them, so if you guys want to get one of these yourself, they make some pretty awesome log books which you can document your stuff. This right here is a Write in the Rain book that fits in there also. And then I have cards right here, and I have cards quick access on the back side. And then I have a pen. This is the copper mini dual side click pen, and that fits in there pretty good as well. Open this up and take a look at what's inside using this right here. This is shielded knives. This is the scythe. Bam. Inside, as always, you got a card that comes with it. Okay, they are made here in the US, specifically out of Arizona. All right, there's the card right there in case you guys want to link yourself up and grab yourself one of these. I am not an affiliate for Lost Dutchman Leather, so I don't get a kickback for putting their links in the description or anything like that. They're just an awesome company to work with, and they got some awesome stuff. So this is a russet version of the Huckleberry, but this is the standard size. So I want to show you the differences between the two. You got your standard and you got your tall. So the tall is made specifically for notebooks that are 3.5 inches to 5.5 inches, which is the size of this daily workout logbook, along with your typical field notes. If you have, let's say, a smaller, like 3x4 book like this Write in the Rain here, that fits in here no problem. So I also opted for the quick access on the back there. You open this up, this book fits in there just like that. So this is made specifically for passports. That's why the size is the way it is. You can fit your passport and another logbook in here if you want, because it's much bigger than this one here. But you guys see it right there. I just put the Write in the Rain book in there and it fits no problem. Let me see how the daily workout logbook fits in here. So put the daily workout logbook in there. See, this is the difference, and it won't actually strap down all the way into this little loop here. If you have a 3.5 by 5.5, you go something with like a 2x4, right? Or I think this is a 3x4. That fits in here, no problem. Then you can put that down, and then boom, that's how that looks. The russet is really nice, I gotta say, really nice. And I've seen russet models patina on their Instagram and even on YouTube, and they look nice, I gotta say. So there you have it, guys. This is the Huckleberry Standard, the Huckleberry Tall. Check it out, by Lost Dutchman Leather. Real great team over there. Let me show you how this looks in here again. I'm going to put that logbook in there, and then that is able to come down much more. Give it a little hang time. And then I have my Write in the Rain here in the russet. This also comes in a black color. Make sure you go check them out, guys. I'll link both of these in the description down below. Wait. Another thing I forgot to note is that these things are guaranteed for life. That's how good they are, and that's how much they back their products. So make sure you check them out. Support a local U.S. brand. Let's make it happen. Walk a